Hello, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be um, breaking down the trade we took yesterday on GU. So yesterday was the first day of restarting our trading competition. We took a trade yesterday on GU, a short. We took a sell yesterday. So this video, just stay tuned because I'm going to be breaking down the trade, why we took the trade, the outcome of it, and yeah, I will explain the concept, our strategy behind taking the trade. So yeah, I believe you're really going to be benefited from this from watching this video because I'll be explaining my strategy, the strategy I used in taking this trade, what I saw before taking the trade. And so, of course, if you want to pass to Profem or you want to be able to grow your account profitably, then stay tuned because this video is for you. So this is the day 2 of trading Rebel Funding competition challenge to see how we can get a profit account at the end of the day. So, and the essence of this video is actually because most time we kind of it's kind of difficult for traders to access capital to fund the account or to even get a purchase a profit. So we kind of found out um, this firm that does a competition. You can compete among against other traders across the globe, and yeah, if you're profitable, if you prove that you're skillful and you can successfully uh, trade an account to grow it successfully, then you'll be awarded a trading account. So the essence why we pick this is actually for two reasons. Number one, it helps us to trade access, get access to bigger capital, and then secondly, since you'll be competing against bigger traders, unlike the regular profit where you just buy and all is up to you. You really want to hone your skill, you really want to be up and up your game to visit the market and do what's necessary. So yeah, that's it. It's very important. And this video I'm going to break it down. So let's head up. This is it. I'm already on my chart. So on GU, let's quickly go on our 4 hour to know where we are in the market. So of course, I've done tons of video here when we took this buy from this point. At some point we took this buy, so we know that generally we are in an uptrend. Looking at this, we are currently in an uptrend, so the market is trending upward. You can see it's really an uptrend, right? So guys, yeah, our trend is established as uptrend for sure. So this is it. So let's just quickly run some analysis here. Let me take this out. Let me take everything out, guys, so we do everything afresh. Okay, so we've established that we're in an uptrend. You can see this from our 4 hour time frame. We are clearly in an uptrend. So what we should be looking for is what buy positions, buy opportunities, right? To go long for the market. So with the market. So this is it. We are currently in this phase of the market where market came back to mitigate this demand zone. You can see that here, and it came back there correctively. So you can see market got here correctively, creating this channel right here, lower lows and lower highs. So within this trend line, market was just corrective, coming down, creating lower lows and lower highs. You can see that lower lows and lower highs and lower lows right here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and you can see that down to this point. And then at this point, once market tapped into this demand block here, mitigated it, we saw the market push up here and started creating this corrective move again. You can see that right here, started creating this corrective move. So just a little additional confluence. Most time it works, but then not really every single time. Patterns in the market. So we have this aggressive move, corrective move. We should have another phase that will move at least to the top right here, at least to the beginning of the corrective move. So that was what happened here. So here we got this aggressive move where you can see this arrow, this leg here. It went up aggressively, and then we started seeing getting this consolidation right here. You see this consolidation. So then the next thing is what we got, the aggressive phase upward. So we knew that, okay, since market got back to regain efficiency at this point, we're already in an uptrend, but market came all the way back to this demand zone here, to this demand zone to regain efficiency. So we should be looking for buy opportunities. However, we took some buys last week, which we documented the trade. You could see the trade we made 10,000, and the other trade we actually made, I think, it should be 14K. Yeah. So in total, we took the 10K account to over 46,000 in 2 weeks. So that's really an amazing one. We're hoping to also do that in this competition. So let's move on real quick. Uh, we can see that, okay, market actually already broke structure to the upside here. You have a shift in market structure right here. So let me remove this arrow so everything will be clean. I like my chart really clean, so I can see entries clearly. So yeah, good. We've seen that market regain efficiency. Remember, one of our rule is that we don't trade in when market is inefficient. We don't trade from inefficient levels, right? So market regain efficiency at this point here. So we are good. We can start looking for buy entries. Market broke structure to the upside and give us this impulsive move right to this upside. And then guess what? Look at what market did. Let's get here to 15 minutes. After the aggressive move right here, after this aggressive move here, look at what market did. There is a supply zone right here. You can see the supply zone. Market reacted to it. This supply zone right here. Market reacted to it. So we can look for some short-term sell. So that was it. Remember the trade yesterday we said it was a short-term sell. It isn't the trade we're looking for. Already we know that our trend is established as an uptrend. So we can't be looking for sell unless we just want to hedge a little bit. So that's it. We just look for short-term sell. So this is what happened while we took the sell or we gave the trade call yesterday. However, if you surprised about the trade call, we gave it in the Telegram community. I'll drop the link to the Telegram community in the description section of this video, so you can go ahead to also go check the community. You can go ahead to go join, so you get access to this premium signals we're giving. So yesterday we knew that okay, market was reacting off of our supply zone, so we waited for a break of market structure to the downside right here. So the first break of market structure, we knew that, oh wow, markets broke to the downside, and this drew our attention to pay close attention to the market here. So after market breaking to this downside, we had this market creating, initially market was creating higher highs and higher lows. You can see higher low here first. You get to this higher low, and market created this higher high here. This is kind of insignificant, so let's just move on. Although there's no price action that is insignificant, so let's mark it out. So market created this um little higher high and then the little higher low as well here. So then we move on to see this higher high here, right here. Sorry, this higher high right here, and then there's a higher low, and then we have a higher high. But then next, what happened? Take a look at this. At this point, market failed to create a after creating this higher low, market failed to create a higher high. You can see that here. So this higher low actually higher low here, and then we have this market failed to create a higher high, and instead broke below. Instead, market broke below here down to this point, creating a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low to this point here. So that's a very perfect one. We have all these structures right here. We have these structures right here. You can see this. You can see this. You can see this. So before market got even here, we knew that we have had another block here, another block. We had an other block here. So market, we highlighted this other block on the trade yesterday. So highlighted this other block here, and then market got back to this point, and you see market went down aggressively. So let me put on trade history. Okay, so market got back to this point, and okay, yeah, I think okay at some point this is a normal demo account. We wanted to take a hedge the market to buy it to this point first. So we bought, market went tap and came against us. Then we just, when market swept above here, we actually left the market. So why did we leave the market and still we took a sell here? It's because this sweep here, really after market breaking down here, this now was considered this now was considered um, a fake BOS, a fake break of structure, and this is an inducement right here. So we knew the market was coming to come and break it. Remember, we watch out for inducement before we can take a good trade. So after market sweeping above here, didn't really close with body above this candlestick. So we really knew that, oh wow, it's a perfect time for us to sell. So we took this sell right here. We took this from this point. You can see, and we came out with about 25 pips in profit, guys. So this is basically the trade. This is it. So market came down to this point, went back to our entry, even above a little bit, put us on some drawdown for some little while, and then also returned back again. So once market break below the structure, we pulled out of the market. We went out of the market, guys. So this is it. We went out of the market today. You can see, because since market broke the structure, we expected a pullback, and guess what? Once market broke the structure, we closed all positions, and then market came down again, pulled back a bit, and then yeah, and this is it. It's just being corrective. So and now I'll just really give us some quick hint on what we're looking out for the next trade. Since we are in an uptrend, we will love the market. Market is already kind of efficient here. You can see that market is kind of already efficient at this point. So we just look for some good, entry. We look out for our entry models, and then yeah, we're going to be looking for some buy to long GU. So but let's get something clearer, guys. So this is it. We have this. You can see we're already having some good stuff here. We have this lower low, we have this lower high, then we have this lower low, then we have this lower high. So this is a break of structure already. Sorry, higher high here, not lower high. This is a break of structure to the upside. So if we can have a sweep of this low, if we can have a sweep of this low, then we're gonna take a buy, because we already have a fake BS to the upside. So we can get a sweep below here, then we're gonna get our buy entries. So yeah, that was basically for this video. So ensure to subscribe if you haven't, and of course, if you're watching this, if you're not participating in the competition for now, it's all good. You can register and position yourself for the next month's competition. It's RebelsFunding. The link to the registration also will be in the description section of this video. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me see. We took some sell entries on Nasdaq, just some short scalping, and yeah, it was in some little bit profit, but then it's kind of moving up against us, although we wanted to just hedge a little bit. Market is obviously in an uptrend, so just wanted to scalp and then go out of the market. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning into Ice King, and sure to subscribe if you haven't. Share this video with your friends, guys. Cheers. See you in the next video. Bye.